Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn German with Gigi. Today, I will teach you a couple of German common phrases so that even if you can't have a fluent conversation yet, you can still communicate with a German speaker. Native German speakers always appreciate when foreigners put the effort into learning a bit of their language. So let's get started. Let's say you start a conversation with a German speaker. Those next words and sentences are very important. Wie geht's? Mir geht es gut. Schön, dich kennenzulernen. Dankeschön. Or the short form, danke. Bitte. Entschuldigung. Ich verstehe nicht. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Ich lerne Deutsch online. If you combine this video with the other videos that I made about introducing yourself, you will be able to hold a conversation. For example, Hallo, mein Name ist Gigi. Ich komme aus Angola. Ich wohne in Deutschland. Ich bin 30 Jahre alt. Ich habe einen Vater, eine Mutter, eine Schwester, 2 Brüder und einen Ehemann. Combining those two videos will give you the opportunity to hold a very good conversation. So look at the video of common phrases and also look at the video of introducing yourself. You'll be able to have a good conversation with a German speaker. So that's all for today. Don't forget to practice. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Tschüss!